Hi there, this is Nadine. Today I want to show you how you can use fabric as texture in your projects. I'll be making 3 spring cards from the Plume and Petal 12x12 solid paper collection by 49 and Market and the Sweet Sprigs stamp and die set from 49 and Market and Sizzix. This stamp and die set features the outline stamps for the florals, the greenery and a butterfly, as well as the detail and the solid stamps and the coordinating dies. First, I'm cutting my paper to size using the snap and swap journal dies. I've put in the straight edge border die, so it will only cut this section. Since I'm already die cutting, I'm cutting a doily from the Doily Duo and an envelope from the Tag It die set from Fabric and a tag and a banner using watercolor cardstock. I shouldn't have any problems die cutting the envelope from Fabric. Since the doily die is so intricate, I'm using some packaging underneath to get a better cut. And to make sure it cut everything, I'm going through a second time. Next up, I'm stamping several of the different flower sizes on cardstock using black archival ink. Then, I need some fabric leaves stamped with salted caramel ink. And finally, I need to stamp some fabric flowers with sangria ink. To finish the stamping, I'm stamping the banner and tag and some sentiments from the Tag It stamp and die set. Now I need to die cut all my floral pieces. For my first card, I'm using the fabric doily in the background. Then I'm layering several of the cardstock flowers. For my second card, I'm ink blending Twilight ink onto my envelope base. Ink blending works on fabric just as well as on cardstock. Now I'm layering my fabric leaves and cardstock flowers. To add some interest to my card base, I'm stamping randomly with one of the stamps from the Sizzix stamp set. I think I want some stamping on this card as well. For my last card, I'm ink blending some sangria ink over the tag. I'm also inking the edges. On this card, I'm adding the fabric flowers for texture. As my last step, I want to splatter some ink using the colors I used on each card. Let's take a look at how I used fabric on my cards. On this first card, I used fabric on the doily to add texture to my background. On the second card, I used fabric on some of the elements, the fabric leaves and the envelope, to add some variety. And on this card, I used fabric on my main elements, the fabric flowers. Thank you for watching.